everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes on Data, a new segment where we take current news and relate that to a topic in data science. Today we'll be going to my home country, Nigeria, and we'll be talking about taxing content creators in Nigeria. My name is Dotun, and I'm the CEO of DotunData. So last week, the Nigerian government in Lagos announced a tax for content creators. So basically, the tax is going to give a 5% levy on all audio and visual content created within the state. This is also in addition to the fact that regular people or the people on these platforms already pay additional tax from their income tax. So there's a lot of reactions to this policy. The first thing is that it's very confusing to many people. They're unsure what it means. They don't know exactly what part of the content that will get taxed, what it means to actually get taxed. There's no clear guidelines on how content to be taxed. And finally, many people feel like the policy actually lacks understanding of how social media and content creation works. So this brought a lot of discussion around what data means and also what the data economy means. So the first thing that we know is that data is actually valuable. We can draw a lot of insights from it. We can make lives better through understanding data. The second thing is that this has led to the rise of the data economy, basically being able to draw insights from data and be able to extract value and money from it. Finally, this has led to a bigger discussion on how compensation for the individuals generating the data, the company, and the government are able to raise money and make money from this data. So what do we know so far? Well, we know that companies do make money from data, right? All your social media companies, they're billions of dollars and they're worth and very valuable. Secondly, they actually startups that are being created to allow people to make money from their own information. So if you check out digi.me or culture, you're able to understand and see how you can actually use your own data and your social media data to make money. And finally, content creators or the people that create quality content are the core of technology companies. So if you think about your YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, all of these platforms, what makes it really nice to be able to go back there is because of the contents that are on there. So there's a lot that still needs to be done. So the first thing is that there needs to be clarity on taxation for individuals, companies, and governments in the data space. Who is responsible for what and why? Secondly, there needs to be an easier way for people to be able to monetize their own data, right? So every day we're generating information, we're generating data for companies that they use and they draw value from it. There needs to be a way for the people to actually make money. And finally, governments should also explore other sources for tax before coming to tax the individuals that for their content that they're creating. So on a final note, taxing individuals is actually similar to taxing people for breeding, right? It's a very ridiculous idea. So in the digital world, we are always generating data, and in the normal world, we are always breeding. So saying you're going to tax people for that sounds very ridiculous. Please share this information and follow me on all of this platform at DotunData. And this data tax definitely needs to be stopped. Thank you.